What's going on, guys? Hope you're all having a great day today. I'm back with Signal Evolved, fellow YouTuber, and we're here with the SI. And tell us what you got done, man. It's been 4 months.
Yeah, it's been a while since we did our last video. I think when we last talked, it was at 384 wheel horsepower.
Yep.
312 wheel torque.
Yep.
And since then, as you can see, off the brake, got the carbon fiber hood. I don't think carbon fiber was here last time, right?
I don't believe so.
Okay.
No,
so off the brake, you can see the carbon fiber hood.
Yep.
New wheels.
New wheels, guys.
Not my first choice, but they were my top 3, and they became available, so decently priced. So they're lighter weight. I saved about, I think it was like 8 to 10 pounds per side.
Okay.
So yeah, so power-wise, I just got a dynoed. I'm pushing 450 wheel horsepower, 356 wheel torque, E87 tune, and I think last time I was made the video was on 93. So I did switch to ethanol.
Right.
So I do have couple things that I guys need to show you underneath the hood that I changed. So all right, so here we are under the engine bay.
Damn.
As you guys can tell, totally different look.
Oh yeah.
Got the wrinkle red
Valve cover. Very nice.
Gives a little touch to the motor.
Definitely.
So custom fuel return system created by Merc Racing. They did the whole setup. So I switched to flex fuel. Flex fuel system. Sensor is back here. Fuel pressure regulator
the orange. Yep.
is right here. So this does the fuel return system. Definitely needed for ethanol content. Stock throttle body still. In between, I had the J37 throttle body, but it was giving me drivability issues. So I switched back to the OEM throttle body. So you guys probably tell this is a different intake. This is a big add. So what I did add is aftermarket fuel pump. We had one already. However, we went with a bigger fuel pump, water pump.
Right.
We went with a bigger water pump. And with the bigger water pump, because it flows the coolant or water reservoir a lot faster, you need to have a bigger reservoir to circulate everything. So it's like you have a high-powered pump, but you don't have capacity to let it travel and cool. You're just gonna spit it so fast, it doesn't have time to cool it.
Okay.
So we had to add a bigger reservoir. It's a 2.5 gallon.
Yeah,
So plus with the system, it comes out to be about 3 gallons total.
Gotcha.
So we had to relocate the battery to the back. Merc Racing did this whole install. They created where I could still jump the car in the front. I don't have to go in the back if my car dies.
That's very convenient. I was about to ask you about that.
Yeah.
Nice.
So and they kept the OEM. I think this is the voltage sensor. So you'll throw a code if you don't keep the voltage sensor. The battery location. You guys probably cannot see it. But they did put a kill switch back here.
It doesn't even look like a battery, man. It looks like a fucking storage tote or something like that.
Yeah, so the battery's there. It's vented. What they did was they had a vent tube. It's on the other side, going outside, so there's no fumes buildup or anything like that. But They did also add a kill switch, so if anytime I want to mess with the power, electrical stuff like that, I could just kill it right there, switch the battery, and that's it.